and what, where all it is used.
The kit includes a DC motor, fan, battery, switches. Related to our textbook. Like we'll be learning about the circuits, different experiments from the textbook, which we used to learn in theory, now we are doing in practical.
Studying only textbook doesn't make them to remember things. Now it is like past Zerotop was done first phase, but still they remember. When you ask from the chapter, they get a bit stuck, but not the same now.
Easier to understand the topic and learn about electricity and acids and bases and so.
So I think for kids also it is very innovative and very helpful. Sir, in higher classes it will be very easy for them and they will not get scared like us. So it is very good.
Even me, their teachers like only handling with the textbooks, telling them the experiments orally. They also were understanding only a 50% or a 40% of it. But once they started performing it, they got to know how the connection works. What are the positive terminals, negative terminals, battery. They all visualizedly saw them, so they were happy to eagerly understand them and they performed the experiments.
It's like previously the teachers, they had to explain according to that and they should draw the diagrams, everything they had to explain to that. But now it is very easy for the children that with the textbook they can take the project thing. So the things, the instructions, the more points they will collect it as soon as easier than according to their knowledge.
And all the children are more excited to participate in this event, and the children who have introduced to themselves to Scienceutsav are really excited to do all activities which was given to them. The materials also was very good and it was handy. Faculty explained us, everything was really very nice.
Have made our children ready for science. So why phase of the experiments were given to our children, we could see confusion in them. But as each phase went, we saw that less of confusion, more of excitement, more of arrangement, more of knowing.